Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to download and install VLC Media Player for Windows 10 64-bit. This is one of the most popular software for watching videos and listening to music, supporting various file formats and completely free to use. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type VLC Media Player, or directly visit the website videoland.org. This is the safest and most reliable place to download the software. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Download VLC button. The system will automatically detect your operating system and provide the compatible version. If you're using Windows 10 64-bit, the site will suggest the correct version. Alternatively, to ensure accuracy, click the drop-down arrow next to the button and select Windows 64-bit. Wait a few minutes for the download to complete. After the download is finished, click on the downloaded file to start the installation. A setup window will appear. Choose your preferred language, then click OK. Continue by clicking Next to proceed with the following steps. If you're unsure about the settings, simply leave them at default and click Next. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a message saying, "Completing VLC Media Player Setup." Click Finish to complete the process. If you choose the option, Allow Metadata Network Access, VLC will automatically fetch information about media files in your playlist from the internet. This information can include song titles, artist names, album covers, and more. The option Regularly Check for VLC Updates will enable VLC to frequently check for updates to keep the software up to date. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player for Windows 10 64-bit. To explore more features like customizing the interface, using keyboard shortcuts, handling subtitles, and other cool tips, don't forget to check out the playlist I've linked in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.